Hello everyone. In today's lecture, I will solve one problem from factorization and defactorization formula. So this question is very important because it is asked 10 times in your exam till now. Okay. So 10 times they have asked. So this is very important question. So look at this. This question is very simple if you know the formula. Which formula I need? This formula 2 sin C into sin D is nothing but cos C minus D minus cos C plus D. Okay. So this is the formula which I am going to apply for this problem. So what I will do, I will consider LHS. So LHS is nothing but this. But from this I know sin 60 degree. Right. So I know sin 60 degree. So I will write what is sin 60 degree. Sin 60 degree is nothing but root 3 by 2. That is from the table, or you can use any trick to get this value. So sin 80 degree. Now this root 3 by 2 I can take outside, or you can write this in the first position. So what you will get here? This you will get sin 20 degree into sin 40 degree into sin 80 degree. Okay. So but from this I can consider only two terms, and since we don't have here 2 sin C into sin D, so I will multiply and divide by 2. So multiply and divide by 2. Okay. So first if you multiply and divide by 2, you will get here root 3 divided root 3 into 1 root 3, 2 into 2 you will get 4. And here I can apply 2 sin C into sin D formula. What is that? Cos C minus D. So C minus D means what? 20 minus 40. C minus D minus cos C plus D. So C plus D means 20 plus 40. Okay. So 20 degree plus 40 degree. So I have applied here this formula into what? Into we have a sin 80 degree. Now simplify this. What you will get? Root 3 by 4 cos 20 minus 40, which is minus 20, minus cos 20 plus 40, which is 60 degree. Okay. Now this can be written as root 3 by 4. Cos of minus theta is what? Cos theta. So I can write this as 20 degree minus cos 60. Cos 60 is nothing but 1 by 2. And here you will get sin 80 degree. Now I will multiply this sin 80 degree inside this bracket. So what you will get? Root 3 by 4 cos 20 degree into sin 80 degree minus 1 by 2 sin 80 degree. Right? So I have multiplied sin 80 degree for each term. Now here again we have a cos A into sin B formula. So here also I can adjust these two. So 1 by 2, and I can adjust these two. So 1 by 2 into 2 cos 20 into sin 80. I can write this as this term. Now again from this one, this is 1 by 2 and this is 1 by 2 from this both this term. So I can take this 1 by 2 common from this. So what you will get? Root 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. Okay. And here you have a, what you have? 2 cos C or 2 cos 20 degree into sin 80 degree. So we know that we have a formula 2 cos C into sin D. 2 cos C into sin D. So what is this formula? This formula is nothing but sin C plus D minus sin C minus D. So the formula for this is sin C plus D minus sin C minus D. So what you will get here from this? Sin C means 20. So 20 plus 80. Right? Minus sin 20 minus 80. Correct? And from this 1 by 2 I have taken outside. So we have a minus sin 80 degree. Now from this I can write this as root 3 by 8 what is sine 20 plus 80? This is nothing but sine 100. Correct? So minus, what you will get here? Sine minus sine 20 minus 80, which is minus 60. Minus 60, and this is minus sine 80 degree. Okay, now this is equal to root 3 by 8 sine 100. Sine 100 can be written as sine 180 minus 80. Correct? Why this 100 can be written as 180 minus 80? Because I need here sine 80. So that's why I can write this in terms of 80. So sine 100 can be written as 180 minus 80. And from this, sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So this minus comes out. So minus minus becomes plus. So what you will get here? Sine 60 degree. Correct? And here minus sine 80 degree. Now this is equal to root 3 by 8. What is sine 180 minus theta? Sine 180 minus theta is nothing but we are in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant we have a sign is negative. So sine 180 minus theta is So we are in the second quadrant, and in the sine, what is sine 180 minus theta? Sine 180 minus theta means we are in the second quadrant, and in the second quadrant sine is positive. So here I can write this sine 180 minus theta is sine theta. So sine 80 degree and sine 60 degree minus sine 80 degree. And this sine 80 degree get cancelled with this, and you will get root 3 by 8 into sine 60 degree. Sine 60 is nothing but root 3 by 2. Correct? So what you will get here? Root 3 into root 3, 3, and 8 2s are 16. Right? So by considering LHS of this, I can get this answer 3 by 16. So that means I have proved that on the right hand side you will get 3 by 16. So hence proved. Okay. So if you have any doubt in this problem, then please ask in comment section. If you like this video, then please subscribe, share and comment on video. Thank you very much.